Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I will share you how to share your website login access without a password. First, I am going to open a browser and log in into my website. You should also log in to your website. Now I am in my website dashboard. We need to go to the plugin section. Then add a new plugin. We have to search for the plugin name, temporary login without password. This is the plugin we need. Let's install it now. Once installed, let's activate it. Now we can see the dashboard of the plugin. I created one a few months ago to share access to this site. We need to create a new login, so let's create it. First add the email, then first name and last name. Role. In this section, you need to decide what role we will provide. Here we can see many roles, so it is depend on your needs. I will select the administrator role. Next, redirect after login. If you want, you can choose a specific page to redirect to after login. Here you can see all the pages of this site. Expiry. If you need to provide access for a short period of time, you can select 3 hours. So I am selecting 3 hours. Language. Select a default language. Then submit. Oh shoot. I have used this email before, so let me try it again. Okay, done. Yes, they provide a link, so let's verify how it works. It works perfectly. Thank you very much for watching my video.